Ever spend 2 hours making a math test? Not anymore. What used to take hours now takes minutes with AI. AI Math Test Pro application turns hours into minutes. Generate versions A and B, solutions, and a rubric. Then edit live and export to Word or PDF. Let me show you. Step 1. Start by creating a free teacher account and sign in. On the left, fill out the panel. On the right, your test builds in real time. Step 2. Start by completing the header of your test. College, school name, professor name, number questions on the test. Step 3. Select difficulty, topics, graph questions, and question types. Then hit Generate Assessment. Step 4. Get the full assessment pack. In less than 2 minutes, your test appears on the right version A, B, plus solutions and a grading rubric. Step 5. Review version A and B. Switch between version A and B to make sure everything looks exactly how you want. Step 6. Edit instantly with AI. Need changes? Click the AI test editor in the bottom right to update anything instantly. Step 7. Chat with the AI editor. The editor opens on the right. Chat to request changes. Make one change at a time. Step 8. Review the edited assignment, solutions and the answer key, if you are satisfied with the result. Step 9. Export in one click. Click Export in the top right and choose your format, PDF, Word, and that's it. You have a complete, classroom-ready test in minutes. Print it as a PDF, or export to Word for quick edits in the future. Try AI Math Test Pro now and generate your first assessment in minutes.